Today we're going to learn about one of the most influential thinkers in history, Aristotle. He was a Greek philosopher whose ideas shaped science, politics, education, and ethics for thousands of years. As Aristotle once said, knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. Let's explore what made his ideas so powerful and long-lasting. Aristotle was born in 384 BCE in a small town called Stagira in northern Greece. He was a student of Plato, yes, the same Plato who taught in the academy in Athens. Later, Aristotle became the tutor of Alexander the Great, one of history's most famous rulers. After his studies, Aristotle founded his own school called the Lyceum, where he taught and researched a wide range of topics. He was what we call a polymath, meaning he studied almost every subject imaginable, from biology to politics. Key areas of study. Aristotle's curiosity had no limits. He studied logic, the science of reasoning, to help people think clearly. He explored biology, observing and classifying animals and plants. In ethics, he focused on how people can live a good and balanced life. He also examined politics, searching for the best form of government, and even wrote about art and poetry, explaining why storytelling is so powerful. Aristotle believed that knowledge should cover all aspects of life. Aristotle's major ideas. Now, let's look at some of his most important ideas. First is the concept of the golden mean, the idea that virtue lies between two extremes. For example, courage is the balance between being too fearful and being too reckless. Next, Aristotle believed that true knowledge comes from observation and experience, not just theory. He also introduced the idea of cause and effect. Everything happens for a reason. Finally, he believed in teleology, the idea that everything in nature has a purpose or goal, like how an acorn's purpose is to grow into an oak tree. His political and ethical theories shaped Roman law and Christian philosophy for centuries. Summary. So, to wrap up, Aristotle was a Greek philosopher, student of Plato, and teacher of Alexander the Great. He taught us the value of reason, observation, and balance. From ethics to biology, his influence continues to shape the modern world. Remember, for Aristotle, wisdom begins with curiosity and self-knowledge.